Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add EMA on TradingView. So first of all, you will have to open any web browser on your computer. As you can see, I have opened my Google Chrome. You can choose whichever you like and then search for tradingview.com. And now guys, click on products and now choose the chart plus option, and after clicking on this button you guys will get transferred on this page. And after that you guys will see this option right here called indicators. Now click on this and search for EMA, and now click on moving average exponential. So now guys, you can see the EMA has now been edited on your chart page. So that's how you'll add EMA on TradingView. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.